Welcome students, I am Atin Levin Shah, lecturer of Human at the College of Pharmacy. Today's topic is application of UV visible spectroscopy. First we see the definitions and introductions of UV visible spectroscopy. Introductions of spectroscopy. The word spectroscopy implies that we will use the electromagnetic spectrum to gain information about organic molecules. The modifier ultraviolet means that information will come from the specific region of the electromagnetic spectrum called the ultraviolet region. Application of UV visible spectroscopy. First one, detection of impurities. First, the impurities will happen in the sample to detect by the using of UV visible spectroscopy. By also measuring the absorbance, that specific wavelength, the impurities can be detected. Second one, structure elucidation of organic compounds. UV spectroscopy is useful in the structure elucidation of organic molecules, the presence or absence of unsaturation, the presence of heteroatoms. From the location of peak and combinations of peaks, it can be concluded that whether the compound is saturated or unsaturated, heteroatoms are present or not. These are identified by using the UV visible spectroscopy. Third one, quantitative analysis. UV absorption spectroscopy can be used for the quantitative determination of compound that absorb UV radiation. This determination is based on Bees-Lambert's law. This is the equations of Bees-Lambert's law. Fourth one, qualitative analysis. UV absorption spectroscopy can categorize those type of compound which absorb UV radiation comparing the absorption spectrum with the spectra of known compound. These are calculated by the UV visible spectroscopy. Fifth one, to determine chemical kinetics. The kinetic of reaction can also be studied using the UV spectroscopy. The absorption changes can be also observed. Sixth one, detection of functional group. This technique is used to detect the presence and absence of functional group in a compound. Seventh one, quantitative analysis of pharmaceutical substance. To identify the pharmaceutical substance, quantitative analysis. Many drugs are either in the form of raw material or in the form of formulation. They can be assayed by making a suitable solution of the drug in a solvent and measuring the absorbance at a specific wavelength. Eighth one, examination of polynuclear hydrocarbon by using the UV visible spectroscopy. Polynuclear hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbon molecule with two or more close rings. This will be examined by UV visible spectroscopy. For example, naphthalene. Ninth one, molecular weight determination. Molecular weight of compound can be measured spectrophotometrically by preparing the suitable derivatives of these compounds. For example, if you want to determine the molecular weight of amine, it converts to amine pyrite. Then known concentration of amine pyrite is dissolved in liters of solution and its optical density is measured at lambda max. Thank you. These are the classification and introductions of UV visible spectroscopy. Thank you.